morning everybody. Today we will discuss about the histology of the remaining portion of the GIT that includes the tongue. We have already discussed the histology of serous as well as mucous gland, means parotid, submandibular and salivary, all the salivary glands. So today we will discuss about the histology of the tongue. Before that, some gross features of the tongue. Tongue is divided by the sulcus terminalis into two portions, anterior 2/3 and posterior 1/3 portion. Anterior 2/3 of the dorsum of the tongue, the epithelium is specialized, having the different types of papilla and taste buds. While in the posterior 1/3 of the tongue, here you can see the surface elevations. This surface elevations contains the lymphatic follicles in the deeper portion, and these elevations are known as lingual tonsil. Lingual tonsil, that is one of the important component of Waldeyer's ring. Now, anterior 2/3 of the dorsum of the tongue, having the epithelium, mostly it is non-keratinized stratified squamous epithelium. This dorsum of the tongue, specialized epithelium with papilla. So we will see about the different types of papilla. The pointed projection of the connective tissue as well as the epithelium. This is the first type of papilla, that is filiform papilla. Filiform papilla. Second type of papilla, they are having the rounded tip. Rounded tip, and the lamina propria is vascularized. So it gives the red color to this papilla, and the tip is covered with non-keratinized stratified squamous epithelium. These are the fungiform papilla. Fungiform papilla. So main differences between these two type of papilla are in the shape. Here the pointed tip-like projection, here the mushroom-like projection. The epithelium on the tip is keratinized stratified squamous epithelium, and here on the tip non-keratinized stratified squamous epithelium. Third type of papilla, they are large and having the deep sulcus in between two adjacent papilla. They are broader on the top, and these are the third type of papilla, circumvallate papilla. Circumvallate papilla. Epithelium is same like the fungiform, but difference is that there are presence of taste buds on the side wall of the circumvallate papilla. If we see these three types of papilla location wise, filiforms are present on the dorsal surface throughout the tongue. Fungiform are nearer to the tip portion, and circumvallate are in front of the sulcus terminalis. These elevations means in front of the sulcus terminalis. 8 to 16 circumvallate papilla will be there. Now the deeper portion, the core of the tongue. Here the connective tissue and large number of blood vessels are present, and within the core of the tongue, main mass of the tongue, that is made up of the muscle, that is the skeletal type of muscle. These muscles are arranged in the bundles. As in the gross anatomy of tongue, you have seen the different direction of the muscle according to the name is given. Intrinsic muscles of the tongue, like the vertical muscles, transverse muscle and the longitudinal muscle. So when you take the section of tongue, it will be cut in the LS or TS, means the longitudinal section of the skeletal muscle or the transverse section of skeletal muscle having the peripheral nuclei. In between the bundle of muscle fibers, there is presence of the glands. These glands are serous in nature. So the round nuclei present in the center of the acinar cells, and they are darkly stained. And these glands are known as glands of von Ebner. Glands of von Ebner, serous type of glands. These glands are open in between the circumvallate papilla, means the gap between two adjacent papilla that rings the portion, the secretion from the serous gland rings the surfaces of the tongue. So that is about the histology of the tongue. Again, it has the ventral and dorsal surface. Ventral surface is smooth and is covered with non-keratinized stratified squamous epithelium. Dorsal surface having the specialized type of papilla. Three types you have to remember: filiform, fungiform and circumvallate papilla. Fourth one is foliate papilla, but that is not well developed in the human being. So that's all about the histology.